Morning everybody, welcome to a new video. So surely I don't need to announce where I am today and what I'm looking at. That's Tower Bridge, overlooking the Tower of London and overlooking the City of London. The defining features of London, I think it's fair to say, the Tower of London and Tower Bridge, that was opened in June 1894, so 132 years ago. It is, I think it's fair to say, one of the defining features of London. It lifts in the middle, although not at the moment because we're low tide. There's nothing coming up the river, but I have seen it lift many times to big sailing boats, big ships, navy ships, etc. But come join with me as we go for a walk over it. It's actually a beautiful day here in London. It's Easter Monday. The sun is out. Look at that blue sky. I was actually reading about last night as I was preparing for this video how a hawker hunter flew through the middle gap, which must have been a sight to behold. That was, I think, in the 50s, and that wasn't approved, I would add. That was, fair to say, a disobedience of orders. But of course, London 2012, a helicopter went through the gap on its way down the river. So many things have happened here. If I just give you a pan around to show where we are. This building here used to be the mayor's building. They moved out, 10-15 years ago. And I would say it was destroyed in one of the James Bond films, but obviously that was a film. So didn't actually happen, although maybe it did coincide with the doing of it up. So I mean, it is quite a phenomenal landmark for London. I believe it's a bascule bridge because it's got two towers and lines in the middle up at the top there, and there's actually a visitor centre where you can walk through those, and I think you're just seeing the bottom of the, so we've got the two towers, then in the middle they've put glass in the bottom there, you can see where it's clear, so you can get that scary view when you're walking over. Riverboat here going underneath, but we're actually going to walk across, and I'm going to show you the gap in the middle so you can see for yourself how it lifts. A busy day here in London, for sure. I'm actually on the Thames Path, which starts way back and goes all the way down. Down South London, follows it out, which I'd be fascinating. One of these days I shall do. But today I'm going to take you over Tower Bridge.
Italia es muy parecido, y luego Marsella, tías, que, o sea, Marsella es que no tiene ni esencia francesa. Porque hay. Sí que se puede. Es que digo, tía, tiene que estar por aquí. A ver, está bonito en verdad, la zona del puerto de Marsella, eso sí es bonito. Y la isla esa que fuimos.
Good opportunity if you haven't already. You can drop me a subscribe. Costs you nothing and helps me enormously. And for those of you who have subscribed, thank you very much. Welcome back. So this route will be synonymous for many people because the marathon comes over here. Look at that, what a view. Yeah, the marathon comes over here. I think it's about mile 10, 11, something like that. Look at those towers, hence the Tower Bridge. That's a view down the river. Got HMS Belfast there. I'll stop in the middle so you can see more. And we've got the City of London there. But as we come under the first tower, see what an impressive structure, and it's been here, what, 130 plus years. So quite impressive. As we look south of the river, you can see London bus goes by, but that's Docklands down there. As I say, there was a visitor centre, so explore inside Tower Bridge. There you go. When it was first built, Tower Bridge was controlled from 2 cabins situated on the east side of each pier. Originally built of wood, gosh, but replaced with stone structures after World War II, which is what we see there. Any ships large enough to require the bascules to be raised have to give 24 hours notice. And these are the bascules here. You can see the middle gap there, but we'll walk over that and there literally is a gap. Oh, here's a riverboat coming underneath. What a fantastic day. Tower of London, City of London there. Walkie-talkie, you can see the Gherkin, walkie-talkie tower. And here comes a riverboat. Shall we see if we can get them to wave? I'm waving, they're not waving back at me. That's a great thing to do if you come to London, a riverboat trip. Let's look up the river there. There's Belfast. Right, let's carry on. Again, a runner. I don't know if I caught that on video, but they seem to be in all my videos, runners. So this is one half of the bascule. I guess this is the south bascule. It rises slightly because we get to the middle. You can see the line there. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the middle of the bridge. I don't know if it's coming through. You can see the gap there. The river is down below us. This is literally the middle. And here's the South Tower. Oh, and there we go. If you do the trip, there's the glass floors. It's low tide at the moment. You can see the banks. Mud on the side there. A busy old day today, lots of different voices and languages, very much London. Oh, and if you wanted to come in, this is the queue. Wow. So there we go, we've crossed the bridge, there's the tower. Tower of London. Of course, the river used to come right up to its moat, but doesn't anymore. There you go. I've actually run across this. I did the mountain, gosh, 15 years ago, and it was a massive relief to get here, thinking, oh, I'm about halfway, and I wasn't quite. As I said, I think it's about 11 miles, maybe. I'm sure someone will correct me in the comments below, but it is quite magnificent to run across a real landmark. And as you can see, a very busy day. So if we go over this side, there you go, we can see into the Tower of London. Well, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. A very sunny. Oh, there's people doing tours of the Tower of London as well. It's a moat, somebody walking their dogs. That must be someone that lives here, surely. Tower of London, the river, back to Tower Bridge. There we go. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, you can drop me a like, it would be much appreciated. And as I say, if you can subscribe, it costs you nothing and helps me enormously. Thank you for watching. Until the next one. Bye bye.